Hey, what's going on, Joel? My name's Kyle with Millsap Digital Marketing here in Scottsdale. I wanted to reach out and make you a video that will bring you and your business value. I see that your website is under construction, so I'd like to give you 3 tips on how you can personally optimize this website and to be able to drive in traffic, creating business leads for it. So I have 3 tips. My first tip for you is when you're building your website is going to be content and keywords. So now what Google cares about is not how awesome your website looks, but what kind of content is on your page. Google, they want to see a lot of content, and the websites with the most content are going to be the ones with the most authority on the topic. Google wants to give its users the best experience possible by ensuring it has everything that they need. So on your website build, I recommend that you have at least 1,500 words to 2,000 words on your home page. And one of the other main reasons to have all that content is so you can make sure that you have in your buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that, it's what people are searching for in the Google search bar. So in Ahrefs, this is a paid tool that we use, and it buys data off Google. One of the features is it allows us to find these buyer intent keywords. Now I typed in bathroom Scottsdale, and this is just a small example of these keywords on a local level that you need to have in your website. So here I have bathroom remodeling Scottsdale is being searched 300 times a month. Bathroom remodel Scottsdale is being searched 250 times a month. So just these 2 keywords here is being searched 550 times a month by potential customers that want their bathrooms renovated. So I definitely recommend putting these buyer intent keywords inside your website. And also, when with your pictures, when you have your pictures on your website, you need to make sure that the pictures are saved correctly. And you can save your pictures by using those buyer intent keywords. See, like this guy as best home remodeling Scottsdale, I would kitchen and bath Paradise Valley, which it's decent. It's not a very high volume keyword. I would save it as your business name and then kitchen remodeling Scottsdale, so on and so forth. Now my next tip for you is going to be backlinks. Backlinks are links throughout the web that when clicked on will bring the user back to your website. Backlinks, they're very important. It's essentially having a popularity contest, and the ones with the most backlinks wins. Google, they're looking at other sites that are pointing at you and vouching for you, saying, hey, they're actually really trustworthy website and that they offer a great service. Not all backlinks are created equal, though. Google wants to see backlinks that are relevant to you, such as other renovating companies or home improvement websites that have links linking back to your website. You know, they don't want to see backlinks coming from, say, Pizza Hut. Well, you're not a food company, so the more relevant, the better. And the backlinks it's how you get seen on Google. So I typed in on the Google search bar, remodeling Scottsdale. This is Luxury Remodels Company. He's the #1 person in the Google Map Pack and the #1 person listed organic through the organic search. So this is his website. So this is what you would have to get to be able to beat this guy out, to get ranked above him. So he has a URL of 40. That's how powerful his site is. This is a domain rating. This is how trustworthy his website is. Actually, you want these 2 numbers as close together as possible. You want to shoot for a ratio of 1. So each month, he has 364 people coming onto his website through an organic search. He's being found for 527 organic keywords, or those buyer intent keywords we talked about. Now, he has 394 referring domains, giving him a total of 1,720 backlinks. And if these backlinks are good enough to rank him to the top, they're good enough to rank you to the top as well. So you can go out and get the same backlinks this guy has. How do you do that? You go into the referring domains, and each and every one of these websites has a link linking people back to his website. And you could do the same with yours. All you have to do is go into these websites. Some of them, you just have to create a profile and you can add your website in that way. Others, you're going to have to go to the contact us, email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise on their website. Now, my last tip for you, it's my favorite tip, and that is get to the #1 spot in the Google Map Pack, and that's this area here. In my opinion, it's the best spot to be in. If you're anything like me and you're trying to find a service that you've never used before and you're using Google to search for a company, so I'm new to Scottsdale and I need my bathroom remodeled. I'm going to type in Remodeling Scottsdale, and this is going to be the first thing that pops up. So it's going to be the first thing I see. So immediately I'm going to see Luxury Remodels Company. They're the #1 spot. They have 116 reviews, almost 5 stars. They seem to be the most trustworthy people. I'm definitely calling them first to come out and bid on the job. So how do you get to that spot? You need to have more citations than they do. And a citation is your business name, your business address, and your business phone number listed in directories. Directories are Yellow Pages, White Pages, Better Business Bureau. Even social media is considered a directory nowadays. So I hope this was helpful for you. Just a quick recap. You can blow your competition out of the water by getting more content on your homepage with those buyer intent keywords. Get all the backlinks your competition has and get them linking back to you. And finally, add your business name, your business address, and your business phone number, all spelled exactly the same all across the internet in more directories than your competition has. If you follow these 3 tips, your website will be found. You will generate more leads for your business, and quality leads at that. So you're probably wondering what you could do now. But I hope you take this information I gave you and apply it. I totally encourage you to do that. It does take some time to do. So I would advise getting started sooner than later, because it does take time to get your website to the top of Google. So if you have any questions for me, or you need any sort of help, you're more than welcome to reach out to us. My phone number is 480-605-0508. Thanks for watching, Joel.